Welcome to Ronan's Playhouse and Learning. Welcome to Ronan's Playhouse, the place where learning is fun and adventures never stop. Today, we're going to talk about something super cool. Even though it's actually super warm, we're talking about heat. Do you know what heat is? Let's find out together. Heat is a form of energy that makes things warm or hot. It moves from one place to another, just like when you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, or when you touch a warm cup of cocoa. Heat makes things change, like melting ice or cooking food. So, where do we get heat in our homes, schools, and surroundings? Well, here are some awesome sources of heat. The sun is the biggest source of heat. It warms up everything on Earth. When you're outside on a sunny day, that warm feeling on your face is the sun's heat. During the cold days, fireplaces keep us warm by burning wood and releasing heat. In the kitchen, heat comes from stoves and ovens that cook food. That's how we can enjoy yummy meals like pizza, pasta, and cookies. In winter, heaters and radiators help keep our homes cozy by spreading warm air around. These work with electricity to heat the air, making rooms nice and toasty. Even things like light bulbs give off heat when they light up. Isn't that amazing? Now, heat has many important uses in our daily lives. Here are just a few. Cooking food. Heat helps us cook food, like boiling water for tea or grilling a sandwich. Heating our homes. In winter, we need heat to stay warm inside our homes. Schools and buildings. Drying clothes. When you hang your clothes outside on a sunny day, the heat from the sun helps dry them quickly. Making energy. Some power plants use heat to create electricity to light up our homes and schools. Changing materials. Heat can melt ice. And it can also harden materials like chocolate when we want to make treats. All right, everyone, it's quiz time. Let's see how much you've learned about heat. Ready? Let's go! Question 1. What is the biggest source of heat on Earth? Option A, the moon. Option B, the sun. Option C, a campfire.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, the answer is option B, the sun. It's super hot and gives us light and heat every day. Question 2. What helps keep us warm in the winter? Option A, fans. Option B, heaters. Option C, air conditioners.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, you got it. The answer is option B, heaters. They help us stay cozy when it's cold outside. Question 3. Which of these uses heat to cook food? Option A, a stove. Option B, a refrigerator. Option C, a TV.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct! The answer is option A, a stove. That's how we cook delicious food like pancakes and pasta. Question 4. Which of these things gives off heat when it lights up? Option A, a balloon. Option B, a pencil. Option C, a lamp.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's right. The answer is C, a lamp. When a lamp lights up, it also releases heat. Question 5. What does the sun do for us? Option A, it makes us cold. Option B, it helps plants grow. Option C, it makes food for us.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Great job! The answer is option B. The sun helps plants grow and gives us warmth. Great job, everyone! You're all heat experts now. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Heat is a form of energy that makes things warm or hot. The sun is the biggest source of heat for us. Heat is used to cook food, keep us warm in the winter, and even dry our clothes. Heaters, stoves, and fireplaces are some of the places we find heat in our homes and schools. I hope you had fun learning all about heat today. That's it for today's adventure at Ronan's Playhouse. If you liked our fun journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more exciting adventures, see you next time. And remember, keep exploring and learning every day. Bye!